Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to open the settings, and to do so we need to press and hold the middle button. Once the settings open, tap on General and here find the option time/date. Tap on it. If you want to change the time manually, you need to disable the auto time update, and then you can scroll down, tap on time, and after the time zone menu appears, you can select the time zone you want, and the time will be updated. So if you go back to your watch face, the time should change. You can also change a couple more things there. So let's go back to the settings. And you can change the dual time if you want to. And you can also change the time format by turning off or on the 24-hour format. And also the date format as well if you want to. And once you're done, of course, you can go back by tapping on back or swiping right on the screen. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.